Connecting the filtration system is the first step to getting your pool ready to enjoy. The process consists of a few tasks that create a closed loop for the pool water to move through. First, you'll need to create a solid base for your filtration system. The base will prevent equipment from settling into soft surfaces like grass. We recommend setting your equipment on pavers or a plastic pad. If you choose a pad, firmly secure the pump to the base using the provided screws. Once the pump is secured, place the remaining equipment onto the pad. With the equipment in place, you can connect the pump to the filter with a piece called a union. Tightly twist the threads of each union end to securely attach the pump to the filter. Use plenty of Teflon tape and do not over-tighten. Next, attach all hose fittings. It's always a good idea to wrap Teflon tape around the threads of every attachment, including the hose fittings. The tape provides a proper seal and prevents leaks. The 4 essential locations where you'll use hose fittings are under the skimmer, at the back of the pump, after the filter, and behind the return. Tighten each fitting as best as you can using your hands. If you have a difficult time, you can use a wrench to secure the fit, but again, be careful not to over-tighten. Lastly, connect the hoses to the fittings. You'll notice a variety of lengths available, but 6-foot hoses are the best option for connecting a filtration system. Slide each end of the hose over each of the filter fittings. Secure the hose with the clamps to prevent the hoses from sliding off of the fittings when the water pressure builds during filtration. With all access points secured, your filtration system is now complete and ready to circulate your pool water. If you need any guidance or have any questions about connecting your filtration system, contact your nearest Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.